Hello my wonderful people, welcome to another video. Now it's time to gather around your screen because today no be beans. It's Ogbono Soup Day. Not that rush kind you cook when Nepo just flashes the light, but that real heartwarming, soul-shaking soup that makes your ancestors whisper, now you are talking. You see this soup, this thick, drawy, flavor-packed national treasure? It taught me one big lesson. Not everything that looks messy at first isn't working. Because when Ogbono starts drawing, the pot might look like a wrestling match. But my dear positive vibers, by the time it settles, you will lick that pot like it owes you rent. And today, I am not here alone. Nada. I brought my gang, the stockfish that's been to war and came back victorious, dried catfish with big auntie vibes, my ugwu leaf like that one camp friend who balances the squad, and Okra, the high man of the soup world. Together, we've entered the pot to create something unforgettable. So whether you're a soup lover, a kitchen hustler, or just here because your stomach sent you, you are welcome. And all I want to tell you is to relax. We are about to dive into a recipe that's not just food, it's a whole experience. And who knows, along the way, you might just learn that life, like soup, needs a little stirring before the sweetness comes out. So first, I had to tackle the elders of the soup, stockfish and dried catfish. Those two do not even play. You soak them wrong and they will embarrass you in front of your pot. But when you soak them right, you season them well, they will dance like they just got invited to a village wedding with free palm wine. Let me tell you something, my dear positive vibers. Life is like stockfish. It might look tough at first. Sometimes no matter how hard things get, it won't bend. But give it time, give it patience and some heat. It will soften and give you the flavor you didn't even know was there. Now I toss them into the pot like a boss, season them like I was in a cooking competition judged by my grandmother. Because in Nigeria, if your stockfish no sweet, even your enemies will say, you try small, sha. But next time you guys add more crayfish. Speaking of crayfish, that small ingredient with loud presence. Like some people in your life, they are not too visible, but if you remove them, every other thing falls flat. Crayfish teaches us to never underestimate the power of quiet ones. They are the real MVP. When it's time for you to put your ogbono, all you need to do is to blend it and make sure you treat it with respect, because ogbono is like your destiny. You don't just throw it anywhere, you mix it with sense so it can draw properly. The last ingredient you're gonna be putting is the freshness, which is our ugwu leaves, our green flag of pride. I sprinkled it in like someone decorating destiny. It added color, balance, and that final to the whole thing. And just like that, my beautiful people, the pot has spoken. Ogbono soup loaded and legal. That type that grabs swallow like it's a love triangle with pounded yam and eba. If your soup can't drag like modern traffic in Lagos, please, my sister, my brother, boil water and start again. Now let me tell you something deep. Cooking ogbono soup taught me that life will draw you in all directions. Things won't always look pretty while it's cooking, but when the fire is right and you stay consistent, that draw becomes your power. What looks like a mess becomes a message. And just like this soup, sometimes all the ingredients in your life, the pain, the peace, the chaos, the stretch, and the fun, they need to come together under the right pressure for your true flavor to show. So next time life gets tough, remember, even soup goes through fire before it becomes sweet. This soup don't just taste good, it tastes wise. If wisdom had a flavor, it would be rich, smoky, seasoned with crayfish and humility. And as you are watching this, Do not forget, it's not just about food, it's about finding joy in your kitchen, in your mistakes, and in every bubbling moment of life. Because, like Ogbono, you were made to draw attention, draw strength, and pull greatness into your life. Now you go and bless your family with this pot of glory. And if nobody praises you, just face the mirror, hold your ladle, and shout, I did that, because guess what? You truly did. Thank you so much, my beautiful people, for watching this video to this point. Do not forget, subscribe. Please like the video. I don't want to see 7,000 views and 1,000 likes, okay? Share the video. If you have any question, you know I got you. Drop it in the comment section and I'll definitely reply and clear you on any point that you are not sure about. I love you so much. Bye.